Hello guys, now we will see how we can implement the filter form. Uh, okay, so to integrate the filter form, we must go through the our SAP custom data table and the code generator of this custom data table. So once you have integrated that custom data table from our code builder of that data table, then then and only then we can use this edit form from our form builder or the filter form from our form builder. So basically what we need to do here is we just need to create one payload that in a common we need the filter form, right? And in that we have one field like the keyword. So we'll add the keyword and or any other field like the users. So I'll write the users here, okay, and then self value. Yeah, it should be in double quotes. What is missing? Yeah, every case should be in double quotes. Here you can see it. So what we did is we just created one payload that is keyword and user. Here you can add multiple fields that you are required in the filter form. Now we will add the filter rate as the uh, users filters. Okay. The submit URL would be the filter URL. Is this edit form? No. Is this filter form? Yes, it is the filter form. Then sections. We will be having only one section, so you can give it here. Users filter. Layout would be whatever you want. I'll make it as a two column. So I'll select this keyword text. Validations will be the required, right? And another field will be users. I'll take it as a text field. So we can search it by the name, and the validations will be the required and generate form. Once we click it, so we just need to copy and paste this code, and we are done. And for the filter form, we just need to submit. Means on the submit of the form, we just need to call this set filter data. Means to only to update the filter data values. Once we update this filter data values, the code which is generated from the data table code generator, which will be having the use effect method. In that, they will be subscribing our this filter data. Once we update it, then the use effect will get called, and then the get data method of that particular listing will get called along with this filter values. We just need to do only these things in our filter form. That's it. Thank you.